welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What a beautiful, lovely day. Today is Monday, man. I think it's December 20th, guys. I know y'all can't see the temperature out here, but it's like 60 degrees maybe. And look what showed up. Another truckload, guys. Makes you wonder what chip shortage they talking about. So what are we getting today? Oh, Ram 1500s. Uh-oh, is that a Durango I see up there? Oh, Charger, 392, guys. Y'all better get these Chargers while you can. I don't know if y'all heard the vicious rumor, but some of it is true, some of it is not. If it's true, it wouldn't be called a rumor, would it? Right. All right, but yeah. Is that an E-Torque 1500? I don't know, these look like just typical Ram 1500. I hope these not the classics. I don't know what separates the ones, what makes you a classic or not. I gotta do some more reading up on that, but from my understanding, the classic is not, I read a little piece of bad news concerning the classic, guys, and I don't want to discuss it, all right, because Drakfink and them, they be listening. Anyway, guys, yeah, I just wanted to, guys, it makes you wonder, right? These can't be 2021, right? Technically, we're still in the year 2021, right? So now I think the following year production vehicle show up in what, October or November or something like that? September in some cases, but the following year, I mean. So I don't think these gonna qualify for the year-end sale. Y'all know how some dealership will have this year-end special because they're at the end of the year and they got a extremely high inventory. Well, I don't think these will qualify technically because I think they are still 2020. I think they 2022. Let me see. Ooh, it's a good view on here. 8-speed, guys. 8-speed ZF transmission. And that from that pan. Oh, these are 1500s with Penastars in them. Look at that pan, guys. That is a Penastar pan. No four-wheel drive. I don't see a transfer case. I just see a drive shaft, a transmission, and see, I got some more reading to do to catch up on it. Now, what's under this? This is a Durango. Oh, this is a Wagoneer. What is the Wagoneer? Wagoneer working with the same thing, guys. And of course, you all know about the 392. That monstrous engine. No ticking, guys. We done with that ticking-ish. Here's one here. This is a new one here. No, this is a used car. It's not brand new. But what is it? Oh, it's a 2018 300 Touring. As is, buy it as is, guys, but have no fear. Look at that. You know what that means? When you see numbers like that, it can only mean one thing. CD is still pretty terrible, but this is a V6, okay? Had this been a 5.7 or Hemi, something like that, these numbers will likely be a little lower. But this is quite impressive for this day and age, guys, during this time, okay? So V6, you'll get better gas mileage than that big V8. All right, he's getting ready to pull this Scat off. Oh, pull this this Charger off. 392 Hemi. I'm not gonna be able to hang around to enjoy the festivities, but just wanted y'all to see we still getting truckloads here in the middle. It's not even the middle. We at the end of freaking December right now. Look at that keyhole, guys. Y'all see that keyhole? I'm gonna zoom in on that keyhole. It look black, don't it? Like there's no key cylinder in there. Wonder what that's all about. I'll get a closer look after he, ooh, sounds good, doesn't it? Y'all hear that? Man, just imagine if, oh, you gotta be extra careful. It's pretty simple, guys. You just, look at the track, see how he got his head stuck out, and just guide your way down. Of course, naturally, the other side is gonna be, ooh, he had to punch it there for a minute. Now this is bothering me. I gotta go see this keyhole. So let me find out where he parked this. Is it a key cylinder in there? You know, a lot of these have the new style key with the block. Oh, he gonna put that one right here. Oh no, he ain't. Oh, look at our used car or our trade-in section. It's being depleted. I know what that means. Yeah, he putting it right there. So guys, we're gonna go over there and see what's the deal with those with that key cylinder. Somebody traded in a Liberty. Somebody traded in Chevrolet, Malibu. Yeah. Kia. Oh, this Kia got bullet hole. Whoa. I would trade it in too. This will scar me for life. Holy, is that bullet holes? Ooh, what y'all think? A 38? Ooh, yes, that would. I would be spooked out, guys. Who knows where those bullets ended up at? But that would spook me out. I wouldn't even want this car anymore. Yeah, I would have to trade that in. Get me something else. Oh, Compass. My buddy Tim just bought I think he said he got a Jeep Compass. But he got one of the older models. Had a CVT in it. And I don't know. I think they got the wrong floor. I don't know what's going on, but he gonna make a video, so I don't want to give it away. So y'all tune in. In fact, go over there and holler at my buddy Astro Auto Repairs. He just picked up him a nice, I think that was a Compass. But it's interesting to know what he got planned for it. Hey, here go. Somebody traded this in? Why? Why? Who knows why? What we got here? Durango. And somebody done lifted up a 5.7 Hemi 1500. What we got down here, guys? We're just gonna kill a little time today. Oh, this look like the import section. I can't call it, guys. That H, I assume that means Honda, right? Oh, Ford is not an import. And Nissan. Okay. Interesting what people are trading in. Oh, that Durango got some front end damage, guys. I don't want to look spooky going over there to see that keyhole while this guy's still here. He might think I'm trying to sabotage his operation. All right, so let's look at this one. See, this one, the reason I noticed something different because it wasn't silver, it was black on that new car he just pulled off. So, you know what? Let's go over here. Oh, right, I'm pulling up on it. Somebody's in it. I think the check-in guy. Hey, man. We still getting scats? Oh, it ain't got down in it. Is that a problem? Did you notice that? Do it got a steel key? Or is it a push start? I noticed that on the truck. I was like, why ain't no hole in there? But if it ain't got if it's push start, oh, it still had a little valet thing in the key part. Yeah. It is? It should be there? What you got? What key wise? How that key look? Yeah, those are the keys. Oh, no. Ooh, I hope I didn't get the dude in trouble. Try to steal it already? That sucker just gone. How was they gonna start it once they got in there?
I don't know, but they probably was trying to steal it.
You ain't noticed that? I'm glad I came over and showed you. What they? Oh, it's the antenna. Oh, Ricky put those on PDI. Alrighty, guys. I hope I didn't get my man in trouble, but I saved my other man right here. Alright, guys. That's enough fun for the day. Now I feel a little bad, but I saved my man, and I may have gotten the driver in trouble. I don't know. That's an even trade-off. Oh, Eco Diesel 1500. Alright, guys. I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.